Hey, it's Rob, I'm back, and we are going to make some spaghetti. So we're going to get the hamburger ground up a little bit here. Once it heats up, and I'll show you how I make the sauce. And it's a little bit different than you might normally see. You can wait for that to start now. Before it starts cooking, you got to throw in some pepper. Mix that in with the sandwich meat while it cooks. We're going to wait for the brown. We're going to chop it up just like we would for tacos. Chop it up really good. Small pieces of hamburger. As you can see, we're chopping up the hamburger really nice. It's going to be very small pieces. Similar to chopping up for tacos. We want to make sure we get it nice and brown. So when we come back to this, I'll show you, once it gets brown, I'll show you how we make the sauce. Now as you can see, we got the hamburger nice and brown, so we're going to throw in the sauce. Use a whole jar. I usually just use Ragu, chunky. So we're gonna mix that up real good. Now once we get that mixed up, we're gonna add a little bit more pepper. And here, add a little bit of parsley flakes. And then here's the best ingredient that we can use. Sour cream. Now this makes it nice and creamy. In there. Just mix it all up real good. Get the sour cream in there. It kind of lightens the color a little bit. Well, it makes it taste a lot better. Very cheap, easy way to make spaghetti. Now I'm going to mix it up and let that cook while I wait for the noodles and the garlic bread. Look at that. Now, as you can see, our sauce is done here. Nice and creamy. So what we're gonna do now, the first thing I like to do is add some Parmesan cheese to the noodles. Now I use a lot of Parmesan. Add it to the noodles first. And you pour over the sauce. Look at that. Now, I ended up using about 3 tablespoons of sour cream in this. Chopped it up real nice. There you go. Rob's rich and creamy spaghetti sauce.